We excited to introduce AI Survey Metrics, our AI-powered survey solution that transforms feedback collection and analysis. Accessible on desktop, mobile, WhatsApp, and chatbots, AI Survey Metrics engages your audience anytime, anywhere. Its unique conversational experience generates human-like responses and recognizes emotions, allowing for deeper insights through open-ended questions. With insightful dashboards featuring automated NPS calculations and trend identification, you'll gain a clear understanding of customer needs and actionable recommendations for informed decision-making. Plus, automated responses keep clients updated on corrective actions, fostering trust and satisfaction. Experience the future of surveys, where data drives action and conversations lead to insights. Connect with us, and let's embark on your journey of digital transformation.